So the next step is now the pants is to close this bottom part and see if we can, here by the crotch, to close there and see if we can somehow make this look a bit more presentable. So I'm just going to start closing it now, and then we will see how it turns out. At the end of the day, you just want to make sure that we still need to do the J stitch there, but it's just to make sure that the fly is closed now here in front. So let me put this one through here and see what it looks like at the back. So it is closed there, but I want to see what is happening here. Okay, so let's start and see how this turns out. I think it should be fine. Okay. Take out the pins. Where is my tweezer here? Okay. Everything looks aligned. There it is. That's a little bit better. Okay. So I'm just following the curve here, slowly, because I've got so many pins in here. Now when you do this, you have to think constantly. You're going to, because my foot will somewhere step on the pedal, and then this thing will move with all these pins in here. It's not the first time that it will happen. So I'm just following this curve here. I'm not sure. We will see. I am happy so far, but I'm not happy with this setup here. I'm not happy with that. I think there's too many stitches and stuff going on here. But okay, let me must see. Maybe I can round it off nicely. So we're going here, over here, in there. I want this thing to be flat there. Just there, yeah. I want to cut it off there. And then go all the way then, like this. And there it is. So those other stitches I'm going to take out. These ones I think I must dry off. It will look better if I tie them off. And things will just be nicely rounded off. Okay. There's an extra stitch there that I'm going to take out, I think. Yeah, I'm not worried. We're going to do that. Let me clean up here a bit. And now, I'm not sure what's happening, but this flap must now go away. The spin that I had here. Let's go out. And there it is. Nicely rounded off. And this is the most important part on the outside, because you want a seamless integration there. So now the other thing that we need to look at is, okay, yeah, but this doesn't look too bad. We still need to do the J stitch to make it flat. Make it flat here. I'm fairly happy. What I am going to do is, because these two, I want them to be absolutely aligned there. So I'm going to do the following. I'm going to put it through the overlocker again. But first, before I do that, let me just close here so that we see that everything is sort of okay here. I just want to close this thing here up. So there it is. So what I need to do, there it is. So if you open the zip now, put it here on top. If you open the zip now, the fly will be there at the back, like it should be. So we're just going to, I think what I'm going to do is, I still need to do that J stitch. I mustn't forget about that, but let me close here first. Make sure everything looks good here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to overlock there so that that we are straight there. Okay, and then this will look good.